Right, in this video we're going to expand and simplify the 3 minus 2 root 3 all squared. Okay, so writing that down. So this means 3 minus 2 root 3 times itself. So we'll write that down. Okay, don't be just tempted to take the square that one and square that one. Okay, because it means something different. Now, depending on how you expand brackets, I like to use this method. So I'm going to do 3 times that bracket. So 3 times 3 minus 2 root 3, and then minus 2 root 3 times that bracket, minus 2 root 3 times 3 minus 2 root 3. And now what we're going to do is expand. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times minus 2 gives me minus 6 root 3. Minus 2 times 3 times root 3 again gives me minus 6 root 3. And then minus times a minus gives me a plus 4 times root 3, which is root 3 squared. Now you might straight away realise that that's just 3 and write that as 4 times 3. So that's 9 minus 12, because we've got minus 6 and minus 6, it's minus 12 root 3 plus 4 times if you square something and square root it, you get back to what you started with, so it becomes 4 times 3. And then we've got 9 minus 12 root 3 plus 12, and 9 plus 12 makes 21 minus 12 root 3 altogether. Now some of those steps you can probably miss out. Okay, so this has been a video showing you how to expand and simplify a surd. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.